Hello mangoes, this is another workout for you to do while traveling. So it doesn't matter if you are on a business trip or if you are on a vacation, this is perfect for you. Or even if you are at home and simply just want something new, something different to strengthen your body, then this is it. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by open your legs if you're apart, lengthen the spine and sit tall. Or if you feel like you can cross the legs and sit like this, open the hips and open the chest, then feel free to do that. Hands on the knees, take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Arms to the side, relax your shoulders and start to rotate the torso to one side and come back to the opposite side and back to the center. And a couple more times with your own breath. Keep breathing and pull the belly button all the way in, lengthen the spine, relax your shoulders, come back, inhale and exhale, and one more time to the opposite side and slowly back. Rotate the shoulders and then reverse. Now rotate the head around your neck. Go to all four directions. One more round and then reverse. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Now I wanted to allow yourself to take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply through your mouth and sit along the mat. Knees bent, legs open, arms to the front, relax your shoulders. And now start to inhale, lean backward. You can walk your feet a little bit towards the hips if it helps to keep the knees at 90 degrees. You already feel your abs are working to keep your body in this position. Inhale deeply through your nose. Engage the abs. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And now inhale slowly. Try to bring your torso back and lean backward. Exhale and inhale. Shoulders still stabilized and far away from your ears. And two more times. And last one. Do it as slow as you can. And I wanted to inhale, lean backward. Open the chest. Exhale, rotate the torso to one side. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale one more time. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the other side. And inhale, slowly bring your torso back to the center. Gently shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Go to the beginning of the mat. We're gonna roll all the way down like a ball. So, arms to the front, shoulders relaxed. Now lean backward. And round your spine, each vertebra at a time. Hands over your head. Inhale, hands up. And exhale, use your abs to lift your torso up to sitting position. We're gonna try to do again. So lean backward, lengthen the spine. And halfway round the spine, each vertebra at a time, hands over your head again. Inhale. And exhale. Lengthen the spine. Keep your ankles flexed. And come back. And round. Hands over your head. Inhale, lift. And exhale, come to sitting on the sitting bones. And two more times. Inhale, lift. And exhale, roll all the way up to the sitting position. And last one, lean backward. And round. And come back. And up. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, come to ortho position. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs a bit apart. Tuck the feet, pull the belly button all the way in. Inhale and lift your knees off the mat, and exhale, bring your knees down. We're gonna try to do 10 times here. So 4 arms down if it's easier for the wrist. So lift it up, bring it down, and 9. Keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Come back. 4 more times. 3, 2, and last one. Tuck the feet, lift your hips all the way up. Take a deep inhalation, try to put your whole feet down to the mat, but if you cannot, it's totally fine. Just start to bring one heel up and down into the other side, like we're walking slowly and gently. And when you're ready, slowly bend your knees. Come to child pose, take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply. Awesome. And when you're ready, come to sit along the mat again. Now I want you to keep your hands behind your hips, close the elbows. Pull the belly button all the way in. Lift your hips up. And now walk your feet to the center. Inhale, lengthen one leg. Exhale, come back to the other side. Anytime to make the wrist feel better and more supported, put your whole forearms down and start to lengthen each leg at a time. Come back to the other side, back to the center. And 4, 3, and 2, and last one. Lengthen to the other side and slowly bring your hips down. Gently shake your hands, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. One more deep breath and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now I want you to open your legs wide. Bring your hand to the front of your chest center. Open your arm to the side and round your spine. Inhale, lengthen and chest open. Exhale, round. Inhale and exhale. And a couple more times with your own breath. And exhale and slowly bring your torso down. Cross the legs, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Awesome. So before we complete, let's start the last challenge for this workout. I wanted to come to sit along the mat again. And now keep your hands under the thighs. Lift both legs up tonight, parallel to the ground. Open the chest, lengthen the spine, work your abs in this movement. Now inhale and try to lengthen one leg. And exhale, come back to the opposite side. Still try to lengthen your back and engage the abs here to support your lower back. Inhale and exhale to the opposite side. If you feel like you can lengthen both legs at a time, feel free to try it. So I'm going to try to do a couple more times. So inhale and exhale. And if you feel like you can let go of the hands, so lengthen the legs without the support from your arms, your hands, then please feel free to do that. And awesome. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, bend. And 3, 2, and last one, lengthen. And slowly bring your legs down, hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Bend one knee and lengthen one leg backward. And stay here for a couple of seconds. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply, gently shake your hips so you're going to feel the stretch on the side of your hips. And we're going to go to the opposite side whenever you're ready. So lengthen. And shake gently. And slowly bring your feet back to the front. Now rotate the ankles and then reverse to the opposite side and reverse. Take a deep inhalation And exhale deeply through your mouth. Round your spine and then articulate the spine. Get in cow sitting position and round. And articulate. Relax your shoulders. In 3. Come back. 2. And last one. Open and bend round. Back to the center. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more inhale. Exhale. Now if you need a little more time here, just stay here in this same position. Pause the video. Take a deep inhalation and exhale through your mouth. As much as you need. So you can even close the eyes. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply. And whenever you're ready, just open the eyes. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.